Are you looking for the best impact wrench kit? In this video, we will break down the top 6 impact wrench kits on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hello there. Here at Better and Best Products, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks for every category based on features, quality, price, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more product review videos regularly.
At number 1. DEWALT DCF902F2. This cordless impact wrench kit includes one 3/8" impact wrench, two 12 volts max 2Ah batteries, a charger, and a tool bag. At only 1.73 pounds it is lightweight. Also, this wrench is designed for hard-to-reach applications requiring tightening or loosening of nuts and bolts. It is equipped with a 3-mode switch with precision wrench to help prevent over-tightening and runoff. Moreover, at only 5.1 inch long it is packed to perform with 1,500 pounds of fastening torque and 2,400 pounds of breakaway torque. It also features 3 LED lights positioned on the nose cone to illuminate work areas. At number 2. Dobetter DBCIW2040. This 4Ah battery impact wrench features an impressively large engine with 250 foot-pounds of torque that can generate up to 2,900 RPMs and can run a long time with its robust 4Ah battery. It also has an ergonomic soft grip handle for a sturdy and comfortable grip to prevent fatigue. Last, it comes with a compact storage and carrying case, battery charger, and 4-piece socket set. This affordable impact wrench does not have a brushless motor, so it won't have the same efficiency and longevity as its brushless brethren. Furthermore, it's made with a cast aluminum gearbox for greater durability that budget and compact wrenches don't include. With so many features and accessories included, it is a sensible and effective impact wrench. At number 3. Bosch IWHT180-01. This impact wrench provides 500 feet-to-pounds of max torque. Its heavy-duty power makes it ideal for fast tightening and removing heavy-duty fasteners such as lag screws, concrete anchors, or lug nuts. The wrench weighs only 6.7 pounds and measures 10 inches in length, making it the most lightweight design with a short head length for the least amount of user fatigue. Also, with a spring-loaded hammer and anvil system, it provides high amounts of torque with little torque reaction. The driver provides 1,900 RPM with 0 to 2,100 BPM, and the optimized mechanism creates added efficiency. At number 4. DEWALT DCF889M2. This cordless impact wrench kit is lighter and designed to get into places a larger impact wrench can't fit. The electric brake is nice to have and reduces the potential for rounding nuts if you pull away as soon as you release the trigger. Also, the drive mechanism is manufactured with magnesium to keep the weight low and the work potential high, and the all-metal transmission gives you more dependability and a longer-lasting tool. It uses XR lithium-ion batteries that pack more amp hours into a single charge, and having 2 batteries means you can keep working for long periods with only a short break now and then to swap battery packs. However, the batteries are a bit of a disappointment, as they are only 20-volt batteries after the initial non-load charge, and will function at 18 volts thereafter. At number 5. Makita XWT11R. This 18-volt cordless half-inch impact wrench kit offers a full package of power, run time, and versatility. Its brushless motor can generate 210 foot-pounds of torque that users can control with its 3-speed power selector. This greater level of control prevents you from over-tightening in one direction, and its reverse rotation auto-stop mode automatically stops the rotation when it detects the fastener is loose. Also, the motor's 2.0Ah battery has electronic controls to run as efficiently as possible and can last up to 50% longer than some models. The batteries also charge rapidly. A lightweight and compact design lets you fit this half-inch drive impact wrench into tight spaces, so it can be used for a wide range of applications. Overall, it is a compact and versatile tool with a comfortable pistol grip that you can carry around easily. Plus it comes with a battery, charger, and tool bag. Finally, it comes with a 3-year limited warranty on the tool, battery, and charger. At number 6. DEWALT DCF899HB. This is a 20V Max XR high torque half-inch impact wrench that can handle easy or tough jobs. With a half-inch anvil and a brushless motor that boasts 700 foot-pounds of torque and 1,900 RPMs. It comes equipped with variable speed selection, so you can choose the right amount of torque for the task at hand. It also is as durable as it is powerful since it's rated to withstand up to a 6-foot drop. The hog ring anvil might not make for the speediest socket changes, but it'll keep sockets tightly attached. Additionally, it has an LED work light to illuminate your workspace, so you can confidently operate in otherwise low visibility spaces and environments. This impact wrench offers quality and functionality to round out the garage of a professional or hobbyist. Lastly, it is backed by a 3-year limited warranty for your satisfaction.